Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm wanting to call and talk of the Kingston.
That's the reason I'm going with them, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same rock.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Start it over. Start it over.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No, sir. The cool you were out there in New York, yeah. Press your out the cool, sir.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm wanting to call and talk of the Kingston.
That's the reason I'm going with them, because I see the boy out there to get up here with the same rock.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how you feeling this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Check. Ready up. Ready up. Ready up. Check. Check.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Idiot. Donnie up. Bra. Check. Lego. Nobody can tell me nothing. September and October are the month where people have most babies in a New York City or any other northern place. You know, feel so pressy? September and October must be the months them when the most pitney born. I don't know, I must Google it and check it. People, it cold out there, you see, man. When I look at the temperature says 25 degrees, but feels like 11. There's this thing now, you know, when them gives you the temperature, them tell you what it is, but tell you what it feel like. Usually them just say wind chill factor, right? So it might be 25 degrees, but when the breeze blow, it feel like, something colder. Them not say wind chill factor anymore. Them say feels like. That like the weather literally said that. You know, them literally said. You go up on Google and you put in the thing, you put in temperature, it shows you the temperature, but feels like. So right now it's saying it's 25, well, when I was coming in, it said it was 25 degrees and it feels like 11. All of that me feel a lie them at. Canadian people know say in on a metrics thing, on a Celsius thing, a Fahrenheit we are talking about. Fahrenheit we are talking about. Right? Because Canada go on like them a general, you know. When you leave Jamaica and you come to America, and a foreign you go prezi. A foreign you go, you know. Right? So it's foreign. And in order to go foreign, you have to reach some heights, don't it? So foreign heights. Because we always think it's foreign the ups or down. No. But you know, Canada now when you go up there, they might talk about Celsius. And if you really match that one there in a prezi, Celsius, you pre put us in a cell. I'm being stupid. No, but think about it. Fahrenheit, you know, sell us. In our sell we, you know. I don't know where Canada depend, you know. Oh. But when they depend on Celsius something. Sweet Cheeks say it's minus 24 degrees in Edmonton, Canada. But Sweet Cheeks, that is Celsius. That is Celsius. All right. Kev says Celsius equal Fahrenheit minus 32. But I don't even know what that means, you know, Kev, because you confuse me right, you know. But people, I don't know how I go and need that too, you know. I don't know if I the cold weather or what. But I just asleep. So any of that woman, the people that convince me I breed. I say I just asleep. So I just asleep, so I don't know how. Now people on the don't start, that's something they either. Don't start, that's the present. Let me see if you know that. You know, say sometimes when woman I breed, them sleep enough, right? You know that, right, President? You know, say Jamaican believe say if the man asleep, nothing breed somebody too. You didn't know about that? You didn't know about? No, you know, say each man I want there for a second President. But you each man I want there, you know, but like you never know that one day, you know. You didn't know about that, President? Yeah, man, I'm saying if a man tired all the while, you know, the first thing we are saying to them, yo, dog, you just a yarn, some man from yesterday, you breed some, my lad. You breed some, nah, man. I went last, I get a kill without boots. Them look away there. But when they don't warn me, I mean, never happen with me. Never happen with me at all. I'm 100% sure about that. If you hear anybody a chat to them, them breed for me, I'm lie them a tell her, jacket them a try get the general. Jacket them a try give me cherry wash belly. Jacket them a try give me cherry wash belly. No go so. You hear what man say? All right, balance. I want to see me clear about bingo again. And no. Them did have one thing at Jamaica, 2 is better than too many. Right, you know. 3 good for me. 3 on your top. That's my motto. 3 top. Yeah? Well, people with there, you know. People hear that one, you know. So, if a man and a woman there, see? And them want to go on a vacation and them a decide between 2 different places. Right? And the man said to the woman, I don't know, I'm going to check my mother. Nothing wrong with that. You mother say? I reason with the mother and thing and say, what you know about it? Who knows? The mother might be a travel agent or something. We don't know. But then, them a discuss marriage, you know? The possibility to get married and thing and whatever. The man I said, me and you married. I don't know anything. I'm going to talk to my mother about it. You want to go on a vacation with your man, lady. And your man talk about it, and the man said, no, you know, I'm going to talk to my mother about it first. But me hear my mother say about it. Okay. Then we now discuss marriage. And the man said, go talk to my mother about it. Then we're going to start discuss the possibility of having a youth. And, boom, you guessed it. What the man said? I don't know. I'm going to talk to my mother about it. Vacation, he might chat to his mother about it. Marriage, he might talk to his mother about it. Picnic, he might talk to his mother about it. Now, 2 and 3 a big deal. 1 may not be that big a deal. And the 4th one, I'm going to tell you now, may not be as big a deal as 2 and 3. But when you put them all together, because the 4th one is, him might think about a career change. She's encouraging him, and I make him know, say, if you're going to pursue this career over here, so, it's going to be really great for you. And she just asked him, but just make sure it's something you love. I think you will love it. I think you should go for it. You can make double what you make right now, and think. So, you know, good woman. Good woman that, you know. Any woman you have to stay them way, they are good woman, you know. You understand? Any woman who, you know, them not just pretty and I fling up good sweet wine pan you and I do them nails, but can sit down and all a reasoning with you and I tell you about how to move forward, how to grow. You have women like them, they keep them. But anyway, your woman has said that to you and boom. What him say? I forgot to talk to him mad about it. What should that woman do with that man? What should that woman do in that relationship? What should that woman do when she say she say, you know, 1 by itself wouldn't be a problem. Number 4 by itself wouldn't be a problem. Put everything together with 2 and 3 and she said, no, it look away. What do you think that woman there for do? What do you think that woman there for do? Oh, him have a brother. 2 of them, him have a brother. The brother workless and not going away in her life. Him are the one where make money. And him are the one where the mother link with. The mother don't ever pay. He had a brother no mind. The older, him are the younger brother. The mother don't pay the older brother no mind. Him the mother pay mine. Because I with him money around and him whatever. What should that woman do with that man? If you're there in a New York or Connecticut, give me a call. 888-546-8742. Or anything you want to call about, you know. Anything, but I'm just to throw this out there. 888-546-8742. Let me see what them say on the page. Paulette said, give him back to his mother. Kim Sue said, run for the hills. Lisa said, it's a problem. Simi said, he's a mommy's boy. Mother still have the say in his life. Nakita said, leave him. She will have a lot of issues later on. Next person, she will take a walk fast. Pretty Punchy said, walk away. No respect for relationship. She should go ask the mother. That's funny. Tell him, Chanel said, tell him figure, Jesus God, Chanel. Me can't read that, Chanel. Walter Bennett, run song mixer. I don't know what that means, you know. Answer left him backside. Dan, she just a come, she don't know what happened. Trevor Smith said, left him. Roxy said, she don't want a mother-in-law. Michael Burke asks, is it Junior leaving? Pretty Punchy said, are you sure that is the real mother? You know what she's implying right now. Anyway, so if you're in the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you're in Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Is that situation just, nothing for her to be concerned about? Or is it something with some serious red flags? Or is it one of them things we can't fall on either side? It could be bad, but it could be good. It could be harmless. What do you think? All right? If you're in Jamaica, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Call in about that or anything else you have to talk about. All right? Give me that call at present. Hello. Call in about that or anything else you have to talk about. All right? Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga!
What go on?
Yourself.
My day, man. What you say?
Me good, man.
All right. Make sure the radio not playing that background and you hear it. Here? All right. Yeah, man. So what go on? Talk to me. Caller. Don't do me that.
Right.
Stop listening to the radio, man. Turn off the radio in the background, man. Please. I move away from it. Prezi, she not focus yourself. She not. All right. People want to call in, please. Just make sure as soon as you answer the phone, we are not hearing the phone in the background. Remember, you're getting a delayed broadcast. And when it loop back over, it causes problem worse. When I'm on the phone, I listen to me and I pause and I listen to the radio. On a call up a thing. So please don't do that. All right? Hello.
Yes, Raga.
Hey, what go on?
Raga, yeah. First time caller, calling from North Carolina, but I'm a Jamaican.
All right, then. What go on put to start to me?
Boy, Raga, me say me in a similar situation based on what you just say, no.
I want the backside.
American.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga. Me have a similar situation, but guess what? He man never a forward like that when me just meet him, because then again, me and the man parents they never so close.
Yeah.
So now that me breed have one picnic man.
Yeah.
And all of that. And me married to him man too, because after me married me, yes, the man mother said should married.
Jeez.
Well, they never say nothing to me.
Right.
Me not pay that no mind. Anyway, the fact that me have one picnic man now and I only grandchildren, so they buy into it, baby, Raga. Me say, Raga.
Yeah.
Every conversation me talk with him man, we are talk to him man right now, and him a call him mother at the same time. So me say one word, him a relate it back to him mother Raga. Me say me in a same situation.
Backside, but you done married already and picnic. So what you mean? Like him tell him mother on a private man and husband and wife, man and woman something.
Me say, Raga, if me make $10, Raga, I tell you, woman say me have $10.
No.
If he get a raise, Raga, in call him mama before he reach home and tell him mama. Raga, me can't tell him man none of me business, because by me tell him, he go outside and call him mama and tell him. And me, him mama and his stepfather in a relationship, Raga, I know me and him.
I know you and him. Like you're there with
I know me and him, Raga.
You're there with your mother-in-law to your father-in-law look like.
Raga, me there with them full time. I know part time, Raga, full time me there with them.
So hold on, you and him never reason about it yet, and you tell him, say, big man, me love how you respect your parents and thing, but you not fair go to them and I tell them everything what happen with you. You not talk to him about it.
Raga, we talk to him man about him, but guess what? I pay things. I pay problem and pay things, because apparently look like I only in mama and confidence. So, me just make him go and tell him mama and thing them, but me not tell him nothing. Anything me I go do, me not make him know. Me just do me thing and left him out of it.
How old him is?
The man they are 53 Raga no picking a big old.
Allah tell man. And a man and a 53 and a behave, sir. Allah tell pan the man. In can't 53 and a behave, sir.
Raga, me see a 53-year-old man, and me a tell you, man.
Where the backside here?
Raga, me say no joke about him, me say, man. Me say, man, a 53-year-old man.
But give me.
All the man do.
Give me some example.
Raga, two things. All he do is sleep and relate to his mama. That's all he do.
What you mean, just sleep?
Mama,
and
all right.
What
Raga,
you mean? Yeah.
All right. You don't know sleep. The man that start sleep from 3 o'clock, Raga. And he now wake up till 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Then, well on, so wait, you're saying workless?
Raga,
Huh?
you talk about this weather make you sleep. You look like I'm always on that weather, because I'm always asleep.
No, but what me I say? Him workless?
He can't come out.
Hold on, man. Hold on. What you say? Him workless?
Raga, him pass worthless.
Jesus God. Then how you manage
Him
you?
pass worthless.
Well on, how you manage you and him, like, him to step up like a man and take care of certain things and them something there?
Step up where? I me have to put out who have to done, Raga. Every day, I me a man and a woman in a yard. Me say me have to put out who have to done. And when me tell him what to do, him have to still go ask him mama. So apparently, me just do what me have to do.
Now, all right, maybe I ask you something then. If I am assuming that you and him end up together and married and whatever, that there is some things about him that you found attractive. What were those things?
Raga, when me just meet him and man show like him kind, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, when me a go work, Raga, man will come early 4 o'clock and wake me up, and say, me no want you feel late, man, me want you ready for work. By the time I reach home, Raga, if they want my help, I want help me do everything,
Mm-hmm.
You see after that, a different thing, Raga. Different thing.
After what?
After marriage, a different something.
After marriage, him just change.
Yeah, kind of woman and nothing in it. Because I don't know nothing about no woman.
A Jamaican? Is that Jamaican man?
No Raga.
Oh, is that American man?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. You sure American? Is that American man, right?
Yeah, man. Full American.
Well on. He love in church?
No, I don't know nothing about God, Raga. Love in church.
Okay. Then,
No, sir.
you know, say Raga you talk to, so we kind of keep it balanced on that. And you know, if giving a whole heap of details. But him angling business when it come to sort out, him can put it on by your good.
Raga, stop your foolishness. Then if you have sleep, so what kind of strength you could have? Put on the power, Raga. Raga.
Talk to me. What you say? What?
Raga, the other day when me listening woman was say run from the marriage when he see man sitting and he cry. Hear me? Lord Jesus, girl, I feel your pain because me have a same situation.
What you mean?
Feel your pain. Do a Raga can't do one thing.
Jesus.
Look at the Raga.
Yeah.
He demotivated, tired for rising dead there now. Me no bother with them they sitting there.
What? Oh, you tired for rising dead there now? So you no.
Tired for rising dead, Raga. Yes.
Are you always a fear? Are you always a fear raise the dead? Forget look at something going down.
Talk the truth.
So what?
And then again, Raga, when you rise the dead, Raga, you still have to try everything to keep it dead alive. That's too much sweat, Raga. That's too much sweat.
What you say? After you done raise the dead and put life in it. You still have to work hard to keep it dead alive, no?
Keep it dead alive. No, Raga, when you fed up, Raga. Me tired. Me no matter with it.
So you just not bother with it. Jeez and peace. Oh, God.
No, sir.
All right. What may I ask you, though? You think there's any way for like try to start, make some effort for work this thing out for make it get better, for you kind of put the little issues on the table and say, this is how we are going to work on that one, and this is how we are going to work on that one. You think there's a potential for something like that to occur?
Raga, no. Because they are too much somebody in a relationship. It is decision of make too much somebody. And then, me always say, Raga, your yard and my yard are different yard, because you know what situation are going on in your yard.
See?
You can't make decision of semi yard and know what going on in a semi yard,
Real talk.
And you can't tell a semi yard and make decision of semi yard because a different situation. Raga, a different situation. It can't work so.
Well, you think the parents them encourage it or just so him stay?
But then again, to a two-side here, man.
Okay.
A certain time and because guess what, Raga, me have one son,
Yeah.
And me talk every time, Raga, me no in that.
Okay.
Me no say me on certain situation. Me may tell you what me think, but me not tell you what to do.
Right. Because, you never stop being a mother. You never stop being a mother. So, you always, well, a reason. But basically, I say, you not go too far. At some point, you will tell your son, say, nah, man, go angle your businessman. And that man for to go angle your businessman. But come to me with them something there. Right? And that you basically say, right?
You mean, Raga, I saw me see it. Me not see it no other way. Now, Raga, me say me in a similar situation. When me hear me have to grab up a phone to me remember to turn off the TV, Raga. Me say bomba one day for me that I me not even know.
So, well, I don't know. Wait, all right now. Tough question. Well, not so tough. What is the future of your marriage right now? What is the future of this relationship with the marriage, your baby father, your pick the papa, auntie? What is the future of this?
Raga, me not see it go nowhere.
So, you're going to just stay in it and go and hold it then and just accept it or it stay then, right?
You mad, Raga? Then all sorts of go forever, never day, amen, me can't get up like that.
Okay, right, there now. So what you think, at some point you have to go Lego?
But what you mean, Raga? What me turn and do? Raga, me can't just make it turn then when Congo run gun near me up. You have to use it first.
You have to use it first. So, all right, then I'm going to ask you something then.
Yes,
Since you say you have, because me know why you feel it, because me I listen to you and it sound like you have the good. Me not even talk about good. Me not talk about too good. Me going to talk about for good. It sound like you have the good. You understand? So between me and you right, Between me and you right, pinch me and tell me. No, you don't have to squeeze off a little thing on the side already and think we take care of certain matters, don't it?
No, Raga. Don't do that there yet.
Not yet?
Don't do it yet.
Okay. Consideration, Agua?
Yeah, but me not do it yet.
Okay.
Because, Raga, what make me not forward for anything there? Me can't take it life. It's what me have say. Me like straightforward too. And then again, if me have to go do that on the side, me not go get the full 100, Raga. Me want the full 100. Me not want to be a screechy.
Oh, okay. No, me understand.
Yeah, when me want to go full blast. Me not screechy. No. Me can't take a screechy.
You don't borrow Teely. No, you don't borrow Teely.
No, they make something that can't borrow, Raga. Anything sweet can't borrow. You have to have it for yourself to use it when you're ready.
No, that is not true. Some borrow good sweet. What you talking about? Some borrow good sweet.
Me no say it not sweet, but me say you have it to use it when you're ready.
Well, okay, me see what you said. No, it's sweet, so since it's sweet, you must can have it for use it anytime you're ready. Okay, me see what you said. Me see what you
That me a talk about.
So, Lord God. But why? But me I listen to you down there in North Carolina, you know, man. And me I tell you, say my heart move for you right, you know. Because I don't even know what to say to you. Because basically, I said this thing I look bleak. It look bitter. Bitter like Single Bible. You understand? Like you know, no come back and think. No sugar cane, another one yet. A Single Bible, a rice bitters this time, mojo herb. I don't even know what to say to you. Eh? I was sweet.
Raga, it's bitter like bitter wood, Raga.
Bitter. Hold on. It bitter like bitter wood. Well, nobody ever talk about wood.
Raga, a bitter wood that Raga.
No, that means I don't even talk about wood because not even that you get right, you know. So make we leave off a wood. Yo, because if you didn't get the wood and the wood did bitter, at least you could have worked with something. But not even the wood you get and thing, not even the bitter wood you get. Oh God. Yeah, so and you're down there with the good one, look at servicing and if you feel good, you know, and all these things, and if you go through them breed that stress. No man, but see if you can talk to him about hold on, you love him? Straight up.
Raga.
Eh? You love him?
In a past time, yeah, man.
In a what?
In a time gone.
What on?
That time gone, Raga.
In a past, you didn't love him.
Raga, when I tired of some things, you know, Raga, you don't know what you no did it again.
Okay. No, I know them cool.
No did it. No matter how you dig deep, you can't find nothing.
Yeah. No matter how you dig deep, you can't. Worse if him not dig deep. To find something and thing, all right.
No, Raga, not even dig deep, not even a scratch to find nothing, Raga. Not
well,
even a scratch.
You doing a scratch, I look at that. You know when guy named found a scratch on the dirt, I look something for big on the pole. I was not even look at scratching to that. It worse, because no digging there. Lord have mercy. Listen to me now. No, I'm a feeling because I talk and they said the way the thing resonate with you and the thing just like your life, you just grab up your phone and call right away and thing and whatever because I said, no, I must meet this right.
Me say actual Raga, me say I must meet this man. Who tell Raga me business? Let me confirm it. So me say, let me grab up your phone and me have to ring you up and me happy to Raga because I first time me call you and get it. That mean I feel me message that Raga. You preach for me message tonight.
And look, and you sound like somebody who listen to me for a long time at Jamaica, like so, you know.
Me say Raga from Jamaica till me reach up your 5 years now, Raga. You can imagine 5 years and nothing. Raga, I toasty that in a Raga.
Well, no. Stop it, foolishness. Stop. Wait, when about how long now you not do nothing?
Raga, about 2 years, you know.
Jesus God, oh Lord. Me know why you feel now way, you know, but tomorrow morning when you're baby, you have to go look if look a cobweb there or something, you know. You have to go look if look a cobweb there. Okay, you have to go look if look a cobweb there. Me no know. Next thing you know, you have to go get broom for go dust out. And yeah, me no man. All right, but anyway, listen now, thank you for sharing and thing because what happened is that people are going to listen and see there's somebody I go through something similar like that. Somebody. So this woman you know, what you think with the position where she in her? You think a red flag with a man and keep on a run go to him mama for everything? A red flag for she too?
Raga, oh you mean Raga a red flag? She better not get in a marriage there. She better go about her business, Raga. She better pick up her foot them and run. And that my granny would have said, Raga. Ain't that no make no sense?
See there.
Raga,
yeah.
Too many people. You married one somebody, you know, married crowd of people, Raga.
See it there. Ah, boy. All right, but thank you for sharing that one.
Guess what?
Yeah.
Raga, Raga, you can't live with you can't live with your own and you have to be a secretive, you have to hide things and can't say things, you know, make no sense.
Yeah, I find that very unattractive and uncomfortable and awkward when that happens to you know. When you have somebody attack
Yeah.
and be a secret around the thing, that's a huge turn off for me. Man, I said the person will tell you everything, you know, or whatever. Man, if you understand, there's
Yeah,
some
but
things with woman where
Raga,
them are going to carry go them grave. But what me I say is that with the whole heap of secret, something that a family, something they with secret thing. Huge turn off.
yeah, because Raga, you're not going to live, and if you make $10, you have to tell everybody, say, no, say me have $10 extra. No, Raga, who want to do that?
See
Oh,
it
you
there.
go successful.
See it there.
And then people not tell us for them business, Raga. They not tell us for them business. You know.
Yeah, but them one with the whole of year one, don't.
Yeah, of course, and I tell you if you run it to them, now you invite them in the Raga.
And I use it against you. Yeah, that's something there. Not join that. But anyway,
Yeah, man.
anyway, thanks for sharing it and stay safe down there in the NC, you know, in the North Carolina. Big up yourself here.
Yes, Raga, you can call me Bitterwood, you hear?
Bitterwood.
yourself. Yes, Raga.
All right, Bitterwood from North Carolina. Big up yourself, Bitterwood, all right?
Yeah, all right, Raga, cool, ease yourself.
I know worry you say you may have go through whatever this, but one thing will never change. You may just get for calling to me after all these years, but one thing will never change. Raga will always love you, all right?
All right, Raga, love you too, Raga.
All right,
Mix up, Mr. Raga.
Brap. All right, blessings.
Yes, Raga.
Okay,
All right, cool.
Prezi, give me the signal. The dog say we have a whole break, so we're going to do that time forward. Soon touchdown.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back up in our thing, back up in our thing. We good like that. And we say jump off when we want to jump off and jump on back. And when we jump on back, we try and see them here. Because sometimes you have to jump off, you know. Yeah. Sometimes you have to jump off, man. Yeah. Sometimes when the thing too sweet and all them something that you want to last a little longer, you have to jump off. Jump off and I'll draw some card. Or sometimes you can't go straight up and say, yeah, this too sweet right you know. So man have to take a little break, you know, so you have to go, Bill, I remember soon forward. Give me like a minute or so, you see me? Yeah, people, it's all about having fun. Boy, we look like we're right smack in the middle of a mama's boy mix-up scenario. Big and serious, though. You have some woman, you know, who don't know this and thing, you know. I'm telling all the while a woman may learn them something here from. You have some woman in a prison. You see, if a woman picnic, like a mother have, them not there with a man there, you know. And it's a balancing act. Because woman will be the first to tell you, no, watch your man treat him mother because it's a good sign. Oh, him a go treat. President, hold on, make I bring up that. Okay. Woman always say, watch your man treat him mother because it's a good sign. Oh, him a go treat you. Yeah. Watch your man treat like him daughter and man. Eh? But you know, mother. Them say, watch him treat him mother. But you have woman who balance that man. You have woman who not there with no man if him alone the woman. Some woman serious about that something there. You have woman who could have nice little more. You see, from him just into him mother too much. You have woman say, I go too far with that one here, you know. You understand? Anyway, give me the call. Hello. What? You know, I said I'm cut out the nano clothes a while ago. And I'm a wicked and make me know every hear it. A Prezi cut it out. Dirty Prezi, you cut it out. Prezi, I give a fight. Yeah, 2022 and him get hype.
A time here, man.
What go on, boo-boo?
Happy New Year to you and your family.
Why, thank you, darling. That's really sweet of you.
And all the TamFam and the Tambourine family. Happy New Year, guys.
Mad.
She Miss Bitterhood.
Yes.
She never knows the hood cool before she married the hood.
No, she said the man was she give it when I asked her a question along those lines, she seemed to have suggested, she seemed to have indicated that, You know that thing there? Well, now the first stage, the early part and thing, where you know really know the person.
Him did a go on
Yeah,
good.
him did a go on good, man. Him did a go on. It sound to me like him did a do, you know, she said like the man will come the 4 o'clock a morning. Come pick her up and make sure she reach a certain things where she for reach on time because, them type of attention there and whatever. You know, on a woman, like reliability and, and them look at something there. So it looked like him did a display that early out.
Okay, me just ask, you understand, because me not married, no man if me have to raise nothing.
Well, you see, me not know that, so me never ask her about that part there, if him did go on good earlier.
That me ask.
And that you ask,
never know, said the wood wet up.
If the wood wet.
Cool, the fireside wet. When you throw personal pan it, it can't light because the wood cool.
Yeah. Yo, at school, because basically, I said, from the wood wet, you could have threw a cursing oil upon it, you could have threw a gas oil, not care where you do for make that the wood they catch a fire. It not light. Backside, you know. Beat them and teach them. Wet
wood that.
Wet wood that. And this is an inside.
That's why me ask if she never knew before she get married.
Okay. So wet wood and a good something. Wet wood and a good something.
You mad, Reggae?
Okay.
You're crazy.
No.
Wet, you can't catch up.
Well,
blaze.
You can't. Well, I think. Well.
You have to go put it to dry.
Right.
Take it out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
And make it dry.
Out and thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you have some wood and thing, then can't too stay in a night dew and then sitting there,
So not that, me I tell you.
Yeah. Well, so one lady up here, she did use a term, one lady up here used a term already, One lady up here, so she did that with this man, him named Junior Levy. And she said, yeah. No, one woman up here, she there with Junior Levy, and she don't even call him Junior. She said, Wetwood Levy. Yeah, that she said, Wetwood Levy. Yeah, understand. Yeah, so okay. But me should I really ask her that, like me drop the catch this, so me should I really ask.
Because me a listener, me a say,
yeah.
so she never know said it would wet up before she married.
Yeah, to rot, the ashes damp. No, but hey, you don't say that deep, you just say a while ago. When they were wet, man, you could have two cursing oil upon it or gas oil upon it. It not light.
It just blaze up and it can't light.
Can't catch a fire. Jesus God. Deadwood, wetwood and deadwood, downwood.
Yeah, man. And you sit with that girl the one where you talk about. If I fear house, she will run out the man, send him back to her mama yard. And if I feel him out, she need to leave.
But what if him nice otherwise? What if him nice otherwise?
Ragashanti, certain things are between you and your partner, and everything mama must know.
Yo, me a man, and me can't tell you, say, even though the way our society set up, it, people are going to slip on it, say it's worse when a man as opposed to a woman. But even me there with a woman, and she, every little thing she run, everything she run gone to her mother. Some of we man would not even we like that either,
Exactly. Certain things must stay in the house and your partner to just discuss that. And I say, you won't go to your mother, as what they call her, say, physical advice, but not everything. And some parents is too enough. You understand me? Send back the youth, the man, and say, go discuss that with your wife. Me don't want to hear that. That's between you and your wife.
But it's a common thing from mothers do with them son. It is nowhere, when I say not even close as common with fathers with them daughter. You rarely hear a man say, boy, I have a problem with my wife or my woman because she doesn't take me advice. You rarely hear a man say that. But all the while, you hear women complain about the mama's boy, them or the mother them who just interfere too much. And you have some feminists that talk about It's a stereotype because you talk negative things about women and you think the balance. But I don't think this is negative thing about them. I think this is just true. I say every mother stays saying them. I say when you find that happen, it's almost always with the mother.
True.
Some mother don't want to let go of them son. Worse. If I one son or other son they are sending the money for her.
Exactly.
Worse.
Mm-hmm.
Worse if I one son or one child. Worse if I him a minor but and dog near me supper. If I the only picnic she have and is a son and I him a take care of her.
Ragashanti, one child may have and him dead. Me and soul rest in peace.
Right, okay.
And me I tell her say him did there with this young miss was teacher.
Mm-hmm.
And me and her used to link, you know?
Yeah.
And you know him a gallus.
Yeah,
And him have had a woman where me don't know about.
Right.
And the girl called me and said she a go give me the woman number fee. Call the woman and tell the woman select her man. Me say me, you want my son hate me for life?
See there.
Me can't do that.
Involved
Me
in
and the
them
woman
something
fight
there.
it out.
Yeah. What?
Me say you
What
and
tell
the
her say?
woman fight it out.
What you
Me
tell
say
her
you
say?
and the woman Me say you and the woman fight it out. You want my son hate me for life?
Yeah.
Can't do that.
Yeah, you do the right thing.
Yeah, me say you and the woman fight it out for me for that.
No,
you
between
know,
me and you do she
call
out her do you know. With her do she could have
Right.
nice look more she out her that she pass her place there so. She cannot come and tell you but you tell you if you go call woman and I tell woman for left fear man who is your son. No, she out her up. Man, with her, you know, me, your son rest in peace and when I talk about him something. But she out her, she bright. She bright. She shouldn't bring that to you as a mother. It's almost disrespect that.
1 minute me have left.
Yeah, all right.
May I say something more to you before me cut off?
Yeah.
Wednesday night when Mr. never rang, said to you, say, Raga, a woman never do that to you. You say, me have to take a next call.
Yes, it was Friday night.
You say you have to take a break.
We have to take a break right now.
No break.
You're
not easy.
Yeah, it was Friday night. We have to let her right this. We have to let her right this. Break time. Go see you a laugh. Go see you a laugh when you hear me say that thing. Go see you're dead with
Nearly dead.
I break right away right there so when he move to me. All right, bless up a little call. I don't get that job you can't think of. Next call, send on. Let it happen. Hello. Greetings. Hello. 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 Yeah, wagwan.
Me tell you not hear me.
No, me I hear you now. Me I hear you, but that you must have called back on the cheap phone.
Me supposed to call for the cheap one, because you not buy me no dear one.
No worry yourself, man. If you want anything dear, you come.
You talk to strong like you buy me dear phone.
Yeah, what me I say? No matter worry yourself, man, because me not say I want phone girl, you know. Me not say I want phone, but they say me I buy dear phone girl. Your knee need to touch your ears, or that me I tell you. Your knee have to touch your ears. Okay.
Raga, me not have double joint. Me not have double joint, Raga.
You don't have double joint. After spicy, what one?
Raga, me there. Raga, me. That happened to me, Raga, me not my...
Well, after spicy before you talk. You know, see we put up on a Ragashanti classic when you did and I name a call up nothing I.
Raga, me not have no service. Someone come my...
Oh, okay. No, upon the Ragashanti TV channel over YouTube, you have put up the whole show them.
Then me not have no service, Raga, only have a sleep.
Me know. All right, then me never know about that part there. But one time, one clash I go on and sitting under and two, you know, Michelle. Yeah, you know, Michelle, she depend on I said, Michelle, I try to remember your name and thing. I think I'm Michelle. And then she said, no, man, where you looking for a name again? And I said, no, man, Atta Spicy. And I said, no, man, Atta Spicy would have killed that. Atta Spicy would have murdered that. So your name, I ring up it in one of them there. But anyway, when you say you did in that position there, well, I'll turn up Atta Spicy voice, you know, because we need to hear what she has, because she's talking things. All right, I would down the president, Sajay. Oh, tell him, turn up Atta Spicy.
Raga, you might sound like him also like him a virgin, like him not kiss out yet.
Ooh.
The one that answer phone and I press the answer, Raga.
And a press the answer. I want neck. No, two you call from Jamaica, one of them down. I who down there Jamaica? Prezi, I who down there Jamaica? What you mean? You don't know? Prezi is who down there? It's such a Atta Spicy one because Atta Spicy say mouth sound virginal. Yeah. And the same way, him mouth sound like him not talk up with no authority. Who? Kevin him. Kevin him name. Well, if I look a virgin mouth when I get kiss out of it yet, no.
Yeah, no, you're poop.
Oh, him answer.
Hello, please, good night.
No, when you say attached by, say, it's like, you as a woman, I listen to him and you say, no, you know, say this Kevin mouth need to broke out. That mouth, they need to get some broking out, no?
Bad.
So you did in another position there with my mama's boy, man.
Raga, no mama's boy, Raga, I'm in 30s, Raga.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in 30s, Raga, everything in tell mama. If you go jump over the moon in tell mama. But the start never mad in a Raga, but me cousin night and me cousin, them say everything you have to tell your mother.
No, but like, give you an example of some of the things them when go tell him mother. Where you say, no, sir, where you go tell your mother that for? Like, you can't remember any other example?
Raga, Raga, you go choose a job. You go tell your mother say you go do that job. The mother say no. You tell your mother say you go there so go do that. No, you tell your mother say no. You come on me yard. You're not supposed to tell your mother say you come on me yard.
Say what?
You come me tell me. Yes. You might come on me. Me tell mommy say me I come up there. Where the box cover? You tell your mommy say you come on me yard. So you big 30-year-old man at the time.
Well on. But what if him? When him did that say that and him I tell him mother say him I come check you, like you and him did that talk for a while after that?
Raga, me everyone like Bertie kite, Raga.
No, what me I say at the time when him I do that, you and him did just start talk?
Yeah. No man, we talk with them about a ear and add, Raga.
No, because I go for say like, so probably man see you and think say he's a look at axe murderer and him have to make him mad and know when him there in case you go do something to him. But
No, Raga, me tell you something about a ear and when me find out Raga say I saw him see a man. Me say thing you have to tell your mother. Every move you make you have to tell your man. And the artist maybe she might wash belly like him, I don't know.
What? No, but yeah, what go on, you know. Una woman, una say security. I wanna say, yo, if the world tumble down and whatever, I want to know say you are your man have your back, right? So for him out to fly to his mother. I don't know how it did make you feel like in terms of security or like the money. Am I a priority? Yeah, what? Go on, explain.
I feel insecurity to Raga because guess what? You're not supposed to tell your mother every blows and start moving. If you say he might go push the ant cart, he might go tell his mother. He might go sweep the street. Because I get an example, you know.
Right.
He might go there, he must tell his mother. Every granny dog thing he man tell his mother.
Yeah.
When I come in front of my mother and cut me eye. I don't stand up and the mother sit on the side. I don't stand up and cut me eye. Just cut me eye for him so.
All right, do you know of a workable situation where a man is very, 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 very close to his mother and communicate with her about everything, but still very, very close to him, woman or his wife and anything work? You think that is possible? Because I can imagine, I can imagine some mothers listening and be like, well, what is wrong with that if I'm really, really close to my son and my son communicates to me a lot? He can still love his wife and be really, really close with her. She shouldn't be threatened by that. Me come first. It's me have him. You know them something that. And what I'm saying, can a relationship work with that scenario?
No, Raga, no, that not gonna work. Not under me father got son, Raga. That gonna mash up because guess what? If the woman clean her throat and you go tell you, you leave your mother. You leave your mother and say, well, you're my wife, so everything's supposed to suck in between me and you. You're not supposed to run into your mother. No. When you come and tell your mother, she's a big man, me don't want to hear nothing. Me have one son, Raga, wish you know that.
Right.
Me don't respond to him. No, we go fight him.
No, but what about the argument where some man in another position and make say, woman will left me, my mother not change. What about the argument?
Raga, that is so true. They can get 1 million women, but they can't get back another mother.
Exactly.
But that simply mean if you tell your mother everything.
Okay.
That not simply mean if you run into your mother and tell your mother every nuku. Some things mother not say no. You come of age and you come out of your mother's place, you're also supposed to run back to your mother. For me, like that, the woman that from the very first time I talk to him and he say, Mama, I'm gone. I'm not time I'm patient.
So what you think with that woman now in a fair situation where, well, 1 and 4 not so bad, but 2 and 3. What you think is, she tell him, I tell him mother everything. And no, not even tell him mother, ask her mother basically ask her permission or if I get green light from her before we make the major decision that will involve her. What you think about that? What you think she should do?
Raga right now, lift up like Bertie Kite.
Lift up like Bertie Kite.
More than you just lift up like Bertie Kite and gone.
Let go that.
22 this.
Let go that.
Raga, this is not time to waste no time with nobody, Raga. Because everything your mother to go say yes, no, maybe so. No, make no sense. Because that simply mean have no talk. I mean, go say, no, say that no sound right or that no look right. You go back to your mother. And the way sometimes me and them, me go like me a stretch and go down the hand back you.
And go do what?
Hand back you. Me go like me a stretch and whoa.
And give him a backhand slap across him face or whatever. But because you respect a man. You respect a man like that, don't you? He man a man to you.
No, Raga, that's a man frame.
Man frame.
That's a frame of a man.
Or as we say in a Jamaica, man too.
That past man to Raga, the frame.
A frame.
That are the frame where you have to put up like, you go build something and you start design the frame. A man frame that Raga.
All right. But no, I not detract from the topic, but I have another question for her. I'm just interested to hear what you say. I never did bring it up tonight, but since you're there. If a man there with a woman, right? And the woman insists at no point she don't want her mother and the man in at them house at the same time. Is that a major red flag? Is that a major red flag? And the man I tell her, I said, I don't understand. Don't even think some would I do. What you think? Would I do? And the woman said, no, I still don't want you around me and my mother alone in this place and this. What you think about that?
Raga, me don't want my mother too close to me, man, because I don't know what they're up to. What
you mean? What you mean you don't know what I'm up to too close to your mother and whatever? What you mean?
Raga, what you say? Me don't know what I'm up to. Behind my back, me know what I'm doing, Raga. Me I go through the door, you go through the door too. The two we are march out same time. You're mad? Leave them with
No, I understand, because again, the first person teach me that something that my friend named Betsy, from Augustown, right? Anybody know Elizabeth Taylor who used to model at Jamaica, who teach me that something about say no, she not, none of her relatives them she leave around her man. But when me I say, is your mother? Well, me shouldn't have said that, somebody like me who hears certain mix. What that go?
Me not trust my mother, so me not left her with me man.
I see that you talk it straight. You don't trust your mother.
Me not trust my mother.
Well on. Sometimes people hear that and think, say the person that say, me hate my mother. No, that you say. And that you say, say, you don't trust your mother around your man.
Exactly, me not trust my mother around my man.
Okay, so people have strengths and weaknesses, and sometimes you just have to know certain things. So, but clearly she make a statement about her mother right there. So she don't want to get into no detail about it and thing. Me hear it, the man, him I wonder if she has say, if she not trust him, right? So there's him there in a film issue with that. And some people are explaining and I said, no, she probably not trust her mother. But some other people I said, but it's one and the same, because even if she not trust her mother and the mother moved to him, it's up to him to say no. So she obviously not trust him either. But then you have this thing where woman I say, yo, man, a man, and find some man to front, then can't help them. What do you think about that reasoning about whether or not she not trust the mother, or she not trust him, or if she not trust the mother, and when the mother run him, then it automatically means that she not trust him either. Anything goes on?
Raga, vice versa, because sometimes she know all the man stay. Sometimes she know all the man stay, Raga, because knows that I should turn her back, Raga, the man would have gone like him a party mother and bounce at a certain place. And the mother now said nothing. She just put a smile on it. And so when they do between each other, Raga, it ain't gone far.
But what I'm saying is, if you're in a relation, am I being naive here? If you're in a relationship and you can't trust your man around your mother or your mother around the man, why are you in a relationship with that man then? I don't understand it.
Yes, but Raga, me and him in a relationship for 10, 20 years, Raga. So me let him stick to the evil, you know.
Oh.
But guess what? You still can't trust him around your mother. You still can't trust your mother around him.
No.
Because some of them pretend, you know.
Yeah.
They pretend very much, you know, Raga. They might do the things, you know, Raga.
Who pretend?
The man pretend and the woman pretend. Because the man, maybe that squeeze the mother, and when you come around, in front of you, I don't like it. I don't like your husband, and I don't. And that time the Raga them pretend like no, that squeeze them, one and then, and them pretend.
No, but somebody like me who hears so much mix up with the mama take a picnic, mama take the data man. They in a year like what pick up you know to the woman I take the mama take his son, the son wife.
Raga, me so foolish me not put up with Raga, cause me that start leak.
You that start.
Me never start.
No, you can't. Where you gonna put your hand on them for? You can't help that. You can't help that. If it happen and you're vexed and you're upset, you can't. Where you gonna put your? Where you gonna beat them for? Beat them for what?
Raga frying pan everything I fling. Raga maybe to get my satisfaction.
Just to
maybe
get,
never
okay.
be to get my satisfaction, you know.
Okay.
Me start fling everything and me start bap. And the very first moment, me cut off my mother completely. Completely, me I go cut her off.
You go cut off your mother with her? You cut off your mother with her? Huh?
Oh, you mean, Raga? You mean, that's not too far.
No, big and serious though, you know. Somewhere, I think Alabama, one of them southern state, the man. And it's not Jamaican. Whatever. But the mother supposedly take his son, wife, take her daughter-in-law. Say, look on the daughter-in-law and say, round up on thing, and the mother draw for the daughter-in-law, and the daughter-in-law send on, and I be things.
So what reason for she know just suck on the daughter? Why the daughter-in-law never something? The daughter-in-law up to it?
No, the daughter-in-law did up to it. The daughter-in-law going. Yeah, but it's supposedly the mother moved to the daughter-in-law.
Raga, for your mother start get too close to me, Raga, me start open my mouth and me start talk. Me not nothing with you. Why you want to come in and something with me? But no come back to me yard. No, come back to me yard.
No, but just imagine the mother look on all and change. Waiting, then I did that my boy go pick up. What? Where you say you know?
I move to. No, Raga, me I run you. Me I run, no come back to me yard.
Next thing you know, she all say, if I dead, my son, me need to know I want my son, I protect my son. Come here.
Exactly, Raga. Me not in that. Me I run you. Me no want to see you.
It world set that we out there, don't.
Yes, see out there stuff. Me no want to see you. So my kids are go come on. Because my kids them gonna come on you, and your hand gonna go too far. I'm probably me have to go do you something. Me not in that. Raga, you mad?
Yeah, all of that. Where is the boundary then? You know, where is the boundary then? If you see my grown child come round you, then and whatever, and then you just start feel at liberty for do what you feel, so you're free for do no matter what and thing. Well, me I tell you about you know, chill with certain things. But don't even want to imagine all them something for my youth, them, because I don't know. Me's a mad man. Me's a mad man when whatever this and that.
Them always tell me to count from 1 to 10. Me don't know how to count from 1 to 10. Always tell me must learn to count from. Me don't know how to do it. Because it take too long. My throat easy for jam. None of my job want to jam for yarn out.
About a year ago, down in Florida, I had both my boys in me. Them time that them, Zion soon turned 7. So I'm probably it's still 6, I think, or whatever, but not too long. But probably whatever. But we in one, it wasn't a pharmacy. I think it was a Golden Cross. And one man come up and him go say, wow, 2 beautiful boys. You know what I say? It's like me just getting one different, me just get quiet and me just hold them and walk away. It's like me getting one different. And him probably not mean nothing about it, Him probably, exactly. But me don't know, but through him say, through we me don't know if it's a Jamaican thing or cultural thing, but we as Jamaican, the men really use beautiful that way there. You follow me,
Thank you, Raga.
And then,
Thank
you know,
you,
Trim
Raga.
was say
And
too
wow.
big. And it probably not mean nothing about it, you know. It probably not mean nothing about it, you know. But
You know,
me just
me,
say,
mean not much, Raga. But the
it
true
just
dirty
trigger.
culture.
Yeah, no, it just,
Yeah.
no, look on what the world are going, you know. Look at them video there, you know, see them people that grab the people and pick me in a Walmart and in a McDonald's and thing. Yo, me see one video, one woman in a one beauty shop with her picnic at the door, and a man just open the door and grab it, the woman little daughter and grab her out of the store. And some madness are going out there, you know. You know, take them check there.
Me not take them check there neither, Raga.
Take them
My
check
son
there.
a big man, a couple weeks and he's my 24, Raga. Me still pray for him, but I say, God, guide him.
See,
Because me don't want no boy to get too close.
See,
I don't know boy not get too close to him, you know.
See,
right? But guess what? No, and them very nimble. Me not gonna tell a lie, Raga. Me love lick. Me lick. Me go like me a stretch. Me a yard.
which lick you talk about? Which lick? Me don't know which lick you talk about.
Hand lick.
Hand
I
lick?
don't know mouth lick. Hand lick.
Eh?
Hand lick. You
So-
come talk about think about
No, me
lick.
don't know. Then them mountain lick to, so me not for ask. Me just be confused. Me not for ask. If you say you love lick, me don't know which lick you
And me a
talk.
talk about brother.
So-
And me a talk about brother.
Okay, so you love
And
hand lick.
hand.
You love hand lick, right? Okay,
You
but
ever come to whoop.
so wait, so you have something
think
against, you have something against mount lick? You have something against mount lick? Huh? Huh?
No, mouth lick ice cream.
Mount lick,
ice cream.
okay, all right then. Okay, yeah.
I'm mouth lick off your spoon and your fork. You're one.
What you think about this and thing? Some youth from down at not Tivoli Garden, Rima, and thing, them say, yo, them not too like how ice cream shape. They're not a cone. You know in Jamaica, them call all teachers sir, right? Sir, you know, when I too love all them ice cream and shape, you know, sir. We want our one in a cup and thing. When I love all them ice cream and shape, okay. You know, I couldn't them attack doing.
But Raga, it's all the person who has selling ice cream put the ice cream on the cone.
Listen to me, man. It's not
Talk.
for them thing I just say cone, man, and the cone. You don't know them and them foolishness, man, but you know for bite banana and hold it if you broke it and you don't know them and them foolishness, man.
Yes, Raga, yeah.
You know what me just say,
me-
oh, when I love all
when-
them
when
ice
me have
cream
a gro-
cone and
when me-
shape up in there, oh, can't come screech
When I have
up.
a gross Michelle banana, me take time put it in my mouth and take time dry it out, but me take time suck it off. Me don't want it done too, because gross Michelle banana and brand and the imitation, so me take time with it in my mouth. Me take time with the gross Michelle banana in my mouth. Me not go pan it too fast. Me want to take time, because I don't want it done too quick.
What you really said to me a while ago?
Me say, gross Michelle banana brand and no imitation.
Yeah.
So you see me, if me get a thing of gross Michelle banana, me take time peel it, and me take time put it in my mouth, and me take time suck it off little, and me take time bite it. Me no want it done too quick.
All right, hold on. I want you to just tell, just for the purpose, I just want you say on the radio now, some different names to some different banana. Just say some other names. So, you know, you have gross, you have what else you have?
Chinese banana.
Chinese banana, what else? What?
Froggy banana.
Froggy banana.
Robusta lacatan.
You have lacatan. What? Robusta, and what?
Robusta banana.
We know we talk about this already, you know, but you say based on what you say about gross Michelle right now. Me not want about anybody want to vex me and say anything they want to say about me. But right now, based on what you just said about gross Michelle, right now, I'm going to just designate my name for my something as a gross Michelle banana. And that's something there. Because I like what you said a while ago. So it's a gross Michelle me I work with. Me not have no lacatan, me not have no robusta, me not have no China banana, me not have no buru. You know one banana named buru banana, one the thick do I know. Buru banana, you know buru banana.
It's one you call froggy banana.
I eat them froggy banana.
But
But hold on, then the buru banana no thick and chunk to man. Buru banana no thick. Hold on. Buru banana thick and chunker than gross Michelle banana.
Yes, but it's same one and it's shorter. Just like how you have black banana, you have a banana called black banana when it there look purple on the tree.
Hold on. Them a banana named black banana?
Yes.
I never know
Some
that.
people call it black
But
banana.
let me ask
Some
you
people
something
call
then.
it black
Between buru banana and gross Michelle, which one you that eat the way you just describe it?
Gross Michelle banana because you see buru banana that will choke you.
Yo, understand? So basically, you say gross Michelle cars are the right size and everything because you can manage that. But the burro banana, a dangerous thing that.
Gross Michelle full. Yeah, them tell something. Gross Michelle full. It always bust on the tree.
What?
When Gross Michelle banana well full.
What you say? Gross Michelle full. It always bust on the tree, no?
Yes.
I like how that sound too. I like how that sound.
Yeah, when it's well full and you look up on the tree on the banana, you see one bust finger on it. That means it's well full.
Jesus God. What you say? When the gross Michelle full, it bust on the tree.
Bust on the tree.
Why? Listen to me now, 2022. I like how you start. When the gross Michelle full of pop off on the tree, bust up on the tree and all the.
No, but you, Raga.
Eh?
You come talk about say, you are going to call your gear street, but Gross Michelle banana. And probably I don't want to try the banana you have, you know. Probably I want to try the bumper banana you have, you know, Raga. Be careful, you know. Be careful. Take time to.
Rock cafe.
When you tell them something, you have to whisper it.
Clear for me. Let me hide myself. I'm not hide nothing. Listen to me, I know. Hear what I'm saying. I'm not want you go. Listen to me. When you see me want you say, GM, big up yourself. When you say anywhere you see me, you ever say Raga GM, and people say GM, and you say, a gross Michelle that. And you say, oh, you know, leave it. Just tell them, say, leave it alone. You know what you know. Understand yourself, be. Yeah, well,
yeah,
I'm not going to say me a burro banana. Hold on, I'm not going to say me a burro banana, you know, because I'm not hype, you know. I'm not going to say me a burro banana.
You praise yourself, there's no recommendation. So there's no recommendation, brother.
No, I'm not talking about the self-praise. I'm not talking about the self-praise.
Hey, if I lady call him with the banana.
Hear what I say. Me I tell her straight. I'm a burro banana.
A gross Michelle banana.
A gross Michelle. Yeah, when it fully bust by the tree.
Okay. I see me cut up a bunch of gross Michelle banana a bush.
Yeah.
I make sure when you write me, I'll get a finger, I'm going to make sure I measure it from my hand. I'm going to make sure I put it on the palm of my hand.
And tell me how I measure. Because I will tell you the truth. I don't hide. Me tell you the truth. But if you measure it, come tell me. If you measure it, come tell me. And you see, when you tell me measurement, I tell you, got you. You see, any other measurement, they're too far. That's well, you know, so I don't really reach up at the GM or the gross Michelle yet, so we have to go find something else. Me tell you. Yeah.
I love gross Michelle. Yeah, I love gross Michelle banana. I love when it's ripe and you just put it in your mouth and you just take time, go and massage it in your mouth.
Yeah, go on, and take time, do what? What? Go
and massage it in your mouth, right? Go and massage the banana in your mouth.
Yeah. So how you massage it now? How you massage it now, the banana?
Yeah, because in your mouth, you're two jaw corner.
Well, you say you flip it from one jaw corner. No, that's something that nice, you know. You see when time, you know, like a woman eat banana, and you can see the banana and push out her jaw on the right side, and she flip it and push out on the. Them something that nice, man. I like hot and spicy. That's why I'm going to give that name there. Hot and spicy.
Hey.
What?
I'm going to give me name.
What?
I mean name you.
I mean you about handbrake. We don't have handbrake around you. I mean name you. Listen to me. You must say. Listen to me. Apologize. Say, I'm sorry, Daddy. I apologize because I mean name you forget. Say, I'm sorry, Daddy. Say it. Say, no, Daddy, I'm sorry. Say it.
Listen. The first time when me call you, me did that one on behalf. I'm about $100 credit for me look bangers.
Yeah.
But me never understand the road code. So when time router one of them say, can I call you back? Me my bride is going to say, no, I will hold the line. Now when me hear the woman on the other side, you only have 1 minute leave back. So I say, rotted. You know, so she should have come back for two. One another time now when me not work, me call you.
Yeah.
I'm going to get the story and I'm tell you it's a medium hot and spicy. I'm name myself.
Nah, man. Nah. Apologize, man. Just yo, say I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Big Daddy. Say that. Say that.
Which part you name me? How come you get to name me?
Say, I'm sorry, Big Daddy. Thank you for naming me. That's if you tell me.
I'm Mr. Raga, and the first time I talk to you, I'm going to tell you my name hot and spicy. You forgot. You forgot how long time me I talk to you for you that on campus.
Yeah, don't it?
The
New
first
start
time
from
me-
early out, new start days, I think. I thought
Yeah,
why you said.
$100 credit me to buy the deal me the home.
You're a legend in
I
this.
and get the number. For my banger's phone.
Man.
I never know the road code. I never know the road code to say, yeah, call me back. I can give you my number, 119.
Yeah, because the help route did I help you out right there, so they come tell her to do that. Me say the people call pan, when the good caller them come in pan credit, man, me just take and call them back because we don't want to lose the good caller them, you see me?
Yeah, you never understand the road code.
So you say, are you name yourself? Are you name yourself?
I mean name myself. I mean, say Raga, I'm going to tell her my name and get a name. I can't fight it. Say, why, Tambourine? You supposed to say, pleasant good night.
What?
I'm sorry. You supposed to draw back and say, hello, pleasant good night. I'm sorry to say, I name you. Is you give me your name.
Okay, okay, no, let me do that. Okay, I would just like to extend my sincerest apologies for being mistaken in thinking that I named you when it was you who named yourself. And rest assured, this Mr. Gross Michel over here will never again make that mistake to you, okay?
Exactly, because me not drink bitter, because bitter would bitter.
All right.
Me not drink bitter.
All right, so here we go. Me a Gross Michel, and you an eagle eye, all right? We're going to left it right there, sir, all right?
Right there, sir.
Right there, sir. You're the Uku Queen. Them for know.
Them I'm telling you, second and virgin, you know, so the most Uku Queen.
Uku Queen, them for know, mad thing.
Yes, a second and virgin. Because when me sing, I listen to the lady, I start counting by my finger, then from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I say, what?
From 2016 until now?
And me, if you tell you, I say, my lady, I start counting by my finger, them. I say, box.
Here we are going. From 2016 until now, here we are going, you know. Listen to me now, you know. You're going to need some ear jacks and some steel wool to get rid of the rust, right? Because things can't too normal right there, so now you're going to need some ear jacks and steel wool for like scour down, you know? Scour down because it's kind of rusty, you know. You see me?
I hear what me I tell you now. Steel wood and Scotch Bright and ear jacks now work a Pepsi had with. So Pepsi for any rust and if you not clear it off.
No man, I true. Me see it on the internet, man. That's a
one-time story.
Make you wonder why you drink. When you drink them something they don't. Anyway, Atan Spicy, big up yourself here.
CMT, my love.
Yes.
CMT, virgin producer.
Second and virgin, Atan Spicy, big up yourself. And you are big up what you call Virgin Mouth Kevin and thing. And this is Gross Michel, just telling you, this is Sir Gross Michel, just telling us enough respect and blessings here.
Okay, Mr. Sir Gross Michel Banana.
Yeah. Yeah, I love you, you're just full of vibes, you understand the thing. All right, big up yourself, boo. Blessing. Well, if you never know by now, you know now. So we're kind of, we're, outside a little bit and thing. But it's all good. We don't care if anybody have any problem with it. People, do remember, may I ask you for subscribe to my educational entertainment channel on YouTube. It's named TamFam TV. TamFam TV on YouTube, right? It's my educational entertainment channel. And thing, it named TamFam TV. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 800. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers over there so that I can do some things that I need to do. So, subscribe to my educational entertainment channel. Today, I edit some video when I did from go Brazil and thing. I'm going to go in like that. So, I'm going to put that over there, over the educational entertainment channel. Again, it's called TamFam TV. TamFam TV. Nice little thing, when we go carnival and we go to the place name, we name the some drum or some whatever this but this way Brazil do that magnificent in their thing with fit and float. When we have float at Jamaica and them something there, and I'm big up Trinidad, because Trinidad won't turn up, but say Trinidad run things in the Caribbean when they come to that something there. But people, may I tell you, Trinidad can't touch Brazil. Trinidad cannot touch Brazil. Brazil, them in one different class by themselves. So I've been editing that video and it will not be put over my Mixup Entertainment channel. And over this so that I go. This have to go over the Educational Entertainment channel, which is TamFam TV. So I need you to subscribe over there, please. If you have not subscribed over there, go over there and just click the subscription button. President, where you say break or call? Call, President say call. I'm my boss. Hello.
Good night.
Good night.
And
How we are doing at the people in bathroom and I hide? How we are hiding in the bathroom for? Eh? Coach I sing I take away your furniture. Osh. Anyway, talk ya boo boo.
Raga be there for me veranda. A veranda no have no furniture.
No veranda no echo, so you can't fool me. You can't fool me.
I'm on my veranda.
Okay, well you not tell me lie. Me know say you not tell no lie around here.
Then
Go on.
you can't ask the general.
Yeah. No, me was swear for you. But now if you tell me nothing, you not tell me no lie. You know you that, and you not tell me no lie. Anybody tell me say you telling a lie, and then I go cuss them and say leave her alone. A lie you tell Panar. Anyway, go on that.
No one touch upon the mama's boy thing.
Yeah.
Alright. Any woman, you see, I talk to the no man and recognize everything in run to mother.
Yeah.
They need to stop that relationship.
Why?
You're not going to go anywhere.
You're not going nowhere.
No, you're not going nowhere. No.
You can't have a situation where that exists and the relationship work.
Well, them not be too close.
No. What I'm saying, are you saying it is absolutely the case that if a man is very, 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 very close to his mother, he cannot have a successful relationship with a woman?
In most cases, because sometimes we feel too close to her where she can make certain decisions in her life. Right? Because me was supposed to go to a wedding one time and everything planned.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The wedding, and the wedding never happened. The person them talk for 4 years to be exact.
Yeah.
And it will not work out.
Why?
Because of the man mother.
What happened?
Well, according to the bride, right? The bride say, one evening she went there at the man's house, and he said to her, say, I will leave you two girls to talk. And she said, the lady said to her, say, sit her down by the bed and said to her, say, she can't marry to her son again because him a keep her company, and a long time they live together, so she can't leave him. Him can't leave her. So the wedding happen. Everything by, frock by, ring by, shoes by.
Well, and the mother tell the bride that? The mother tell the bride to be that?
Yes, so the bride said because the only thing they left, so we get a invitation.
No, but when the man say, I leave you two girls to talk, did he know what the mother was going to say to her?
Yes, him know.
No, then if him do that and no say at that the mother I go tell the woman who him I got married, I know it look bad enough, but that woman should be very, very thankful that she hear that at that point and them never actually go get married. You know?
No, but they talk long. They talk 4 years. That is a long time in a raga. If you talk to somebody, and then the wedding not happening.
And then the wedding, but still, for a woman I go there with a man for 4 years and everything by, dressed by everything by and whatever and blah, blah, blah. And then him don't even man enough to tell her himself. Him bring her there for make him mother tell her, knowing say mother go tell her that. This is key, because you are saying him didn't know say that the mother go tell her, right? It's a different thing if him never know say that the mother go tell her, the mother lamps him and thing and whatever and go around him and then go say that to the daughter and I never that. She said she didn't go talk to the daughter about. That's a different thing. But if him know say that, him mother go tell her, right? She don't need for that. And I man that. And a man that I idiot that man.
A boy that, brother, me glad me never get no boy to marry you, okay? It would work out.
Brap. Big up my general. Big up my boss. Big up Mark. Big up Mark. Bap.
I feel big up.
Yeah.
Timmy husband, Mark Johnson.
Yeah.
Where me married to Pop Theo Shore.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I feel big him up because he's not a mama's boy.
Yeah.
He's not. Else we married to the last 13 years because not even one it would last for from me. Here that I done me done.
I done, you done. Jesus God. At 13 years now, Brittany?
Yes, man. March coming, it will be 14.
Rotted. March I come at 14 years now since whatever.
14. Yes.
Brittany, you see how long me I do this too? And you know me the parade long before that, right?
Yes, man.
Lord God, I know that. And you say it would never last so long and strong and look. And you talk with a whole heap of respect because you know he's a real man you there. I'm real man of your husband.
Yeah. Real man.
Proper. Discipline and real.
Man, proper.
Yeah.
Real provider.
Yeah.
Real provider, Raga.
You understand? No, man. I think that was very insulting actually, what he did. You know, by having her, the mother, don't even tell her. I mean, it was still bad if him tell her, but you put her on this thing and you say, you know, she a think for married and they with you 4 years and whatever. And if she go lie down back with him after that and whatever, I say, what you do? Don't allow that the man. You know, see the man has no respect for you. None. None at all. So
any woman, I go talk to a man and you hear that for the start. Nobody go there so. Just find somebody else.
So that lady are in another position and my issue is with 2 and 3. My issue is with 2 and 3, the baby and the marriage, you know. So you think that she feel Lego?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, always careful, but you know, I tell people for left people because you just never know. You would something, you know, tell people, you know, get involved in that something there. But I must admit, I don't know, somebody would know, by the way. But but had I known her, I still wanna tell her, say, like, but you know, to me and you attack, right? I know, I can't say, no, man, she feel Lego that and thing. The wedding one and the picnic one especially. The picnic one especially, you know. I think that is demeaning and disrespectful to the woman. I think, you know, I idiot that, man. I don't mind that. I don't mind. You can't deal with a woman and thing and whatever. And I mean, I know, probably have some cultural reasons why something like that would be relevant. You know, you have strange things in different culture, you know, where you have to go to the parents to ask. But just in general, all things being equal, I cannot imagine a justifiable situation where I say it's okay for a man and a woman there all long and thing and them got baby and when them discuss it, the man said to the woman, me have to ask my mother first. My mother have to okay this first, right? Before we can go have picnic together. You understand?
Brother, most time it's better when the relationship work better when they did, you know.
When Brittany, you gone. You mean when the people don't misunderstand what she's saying. What she's not saying. If the people in my life, she wish them to die. She's saying if the parents are already passed, she said it's better. Very often relationships can work better, right there. So is that what you're saying? That's what you're saying? I'm assuming that's what
I'm saying.
Right,
because me don't know no mother-in-law, you know. I'm not know no mother-in-law. Right. Because my mother dead.
Right.
And my mother dead.
Right.
And I believe say the relationship work out better when it was dead.
Okay. You just keep it real. You just keep it real and say, you know, you have nothing to worry about over there. So in terms of in-law, parents, in-law. Just say right. I
just 2 hours alone.
Just a 2 hour thing or whatever. No, me just want a clarification. I come in and want them go start text it by and them have to go down them and say, hello, my friend. All right. Bless up here. Big up yourself here. All right, cool.
Yeah, man. All right. Yeah.
Again, just to be clear, people, she was just saying that if there's a situation where the parents have already passed, she said, well, you know, that generally that's best for a relationship because, you know, if the parents have passed, then there is no possibility of interfering parents, you know, sabotaging the relationship in any way, Right? We just want to be clear. In no way was she saying if they're alive, then they should die, because that would be a very different scenario, correct? Okay, we're going to take a little break. We'll be right back.
New style, yes, new flow, yes.
The Bridge.
The Bridge, 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
General, just dropped back in Florida and thing. He spent Christmas and New Year's up here and thing, and it was so much fun. But I have to figure out how to beat him at some of the games, Like, Prezi, as a parent, when you juggle with the youth, them and thing, you always have the capability of winning everything, don't it? Right? So you make your kids them win, right? And make them feel good, and you pick them up and boost them ego and boost some confidence and everything. So me and this boy I play some video game. I try desperately for win and can't win not even one of the game them. No man, it's serious. It thing's serious, right? Just so know. Right? Daddy have to win something to, don't it? Right? Him need to come to me and ask me, oh, for we play a couple of games. Right? I don't set that way that it don't look good. It don't look good. So I'm going to figure out something or whatever. President on top of that. Say one city that have to turn on. But the logo for the company upon the game something. You have the logo, right? But the logo is never usually the power button, right? The logo is never usually the power button. I'm right. You know when me attack, right? But on this, you know when me attack. The logo is the power. Say then who they are, but I mean I press a little black button, but that was the button for connect Bluetooth. Somebody said, but this is strange. I said, somebody they like this thing now work or whatever. But him never on him tablet, Him never on him. I set up a thing. Because that's what dads do, right? Because daddy know everything. Daddy set up a thing. Someone over there, somebody, I would have poor about it. Somebody that press, somebody must this. And think on the jam, someone won't even come on. And think, say, over there, after a while, the man goes so. And he said, daddy, what's the problem? I said, the power button and whatever. And he said, you hear him now, President? Daddy, this has got to be it. Boom, and press the button. There was a moment of silence. I was humbled again. And my masculinity, suffered, It was like a deflated balloon, type of thing. You remember me tell about the KJ moment with the extractor? You know about that one? You never hear about that one? When KJ was like 3. B-side down at Miami, where Jabba them keep best of the best, all right? So we across the road, we park and we go over B-side, whatever. So me hear my boy said, him say, look on the elevator there. Escalator. Him say, escalator. So, picnic them don't know what them say and them use word and whatever. So I look over, I'm say, son, that's not an escalator, right? That's a bulldozer. That's not an escalator. And him say, no, it is. I'm say, no, son, I'm an adult. Me know the things them, they don't. 3 years will make mistake, right? I'm just in my authoritative, adult, masculine, silverback voice, hyper, lion voice. I said, son, that is not an escalator. I said, the man stop. The man stop like in frustration and annoyance. And the man was like, and the man was look at me like, Daddy, what? He said, hear him now, no? Daddy, excavator. That's a bulldozer and that's an excavator. And when I look over, I really want excavator in my pine. President, these things can't continue this way. Them are picking nowadays. Them are picking. Me have to find somewhere for I just run them. It cannot continue. President, when me feed them thing, when me feed them here, anybody at Jamaica don't know what me talk about right now. President, me have some string put me hand. You follow me? I says, so you know that's something there. Where you make the whole for diamond, something them with the string them for your hand. And them something them used to do. President, me used to play a marble. I mean, used to have pretty marble, and ugly, and bembe. Used to have a big marble and bembe. Right? Them time the big skill you have is when the marble in the ring, and you have to throw it to make your marble get close to the ring as well, and then you play. President, do me look a bit elastic band me have. I mean, I bounce elastic band them off a wall. You ever play that yet? You bounce elastic band them off of the wall. And you try to make the elastic band them do. When them time the way we play, 1, 2, 3, red light. Simon says, bull in the pen, you can't come on. And them some of them star. Them damn pitney nowadays and whatever. Them know some big word and all them things. What the backside me know about excavator when me I come up about excavator and escalator and all them sitting there. You know, the first time I did on one escalator to right that when me did much older and you want to see me I pause up first because I don't trust this cloth. You understand? And them I pitney and one. Something have to change. Something have to change. That's why I go practice, you know. I practice, you know. Because when him forward, some game have to win. Some game have to win. It can't go so. It can't go so. Zion can't beat me all again. I'll KJ team the part and Jide come and see him here too. Some game have to win. Raga have to win some game. Daddy have to win some game. I want to go and run this. Conspiracy. Anyway. Jesus God. President, see what Missy write in that on the wall on Facebook. President, look what Missy write. You see what Missy write? Raga, remember TV wasn't invented when you were born. You see all them liberty here? You see all them liberty here? You see all them liberty here? Yo, Missy, hey, Missy, I don't want you go like you want to disrespect me, you know. Oh, me used to watch TV when I look a bit. We never have TV, but some people in our community did have it. And then put it up near them window and we go over and we stay over our yard and watch it through the fence. So go man. And we watch it till TV sign off. And when ugly something come up on JBC and them sing the national anthem and then TV sign off and no more TV after 12 o'clock. We have to go talk Big Boy story and Nancy story and all of them something there I go our bed. I look on the star and all them things there, whatever. You understand? Some man used to watch TV. And that me I tell him, Missy, I want me to you. What you know about when the TV, I run and go up. When the thing keep on, I run and go up, I run and go up, I run and go up. And we have to lick the TV on the side. You know about that something the present? Beat the TV on the side. What you know about when we have to get up and go change the channel, turn the knob and change the channel. Hey, Missy, don't go like you want to come disrespect your program. Okay. And when we had change channel, it was a change channel for what? Another channel. It was like forget it on number 3 only. Because of one channel. Was one digga channel. Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation. Hello, Moto. Hey, don't play with the Missy, okay? We know TV. I want to tell you. Don't go around the thing and go like you want to come clown out gangster. We are TV veteran around here. We are TV thugs around here. Yeah? Anyway. People big and serious doing it. That's something that I really think I tell you with that thing that with that woman there where they say she not leave her, she not want to leave her mother around her man. Yeah. She not join that something there. Right? So all when the man I say, but I like say you can't watch me 24/7, my out on the road alone, she not business. She not leaving her mother alone with her man. Me not bias and I focus on the woman's side, right? I'm not being sexist by just putting more of the negative on the side of the woman because quite probable she could be saying she don't trust her. Well, to some degree, she must be saying she does not trust her husband, not to trust her man to some degree too. However, I think in this instance, though, the emphasis here is on the mother. I think it's her mother she don't trust more than... President thinks her mother she don't trust more than her man. Right? It must be her mother she don't trust more than her man. Right? If that woman don't trust her mother, President, you realize the magnitude of that? You realize... No, sir. That's huge. A mother don't trust... A woman don't trust her mother around her man. Right? And then when the matter broach up and thing, my brethren, I say, when him talk to some other woman, the woman them a say, I never me hear this. He must say the woman them a say, I want to tell you, Raga, you can't trust no woman nowadays. And when you love them good and them have your back, you cannot trust any woman nowadays. Right? No. So why even introduce any man to her mom in the first place? Well, we don't know, but that, I mean, on some level, I would like to think that it you know, it's a situation where at some point it's inevitable. Like at some point them are going to buck up. So I like say, oh, may I keep my mother from you or whatever. You know, in scenarios like that, you know, it's easy to imagine that even if she keep the mother away from her, at some point, some sort of interaction I forgot happen or the mother come over and then, you know, and she never intend, but the mother did have to stop by to pick up something. And then the friend called, and a friend called for she go for something, and she said, no, I can't leave now. And then the man may go say, no, go on, it's cool, and whatever. And the man said, no, because if, and then she go say, no, because if I leave, it will mean that you're going to be here with my mom alone, and I don't want that. There's all kind of, you know, situation we can imagine that could lead to, you know, the mother interacting with her man, even if the intention was always the case that she's keeping them apart from a mother and man. At some point, they're going to buck up. At some point. No. But this is nothing new, though, you know. If anybody who has listened to me a long time and I hear Mixup, can I tell another thing with Mixup, you know, is that Mixup bring out the politically incorrect things them where people not generally talk about, but are happening out there in a society. Give me a quick caller because we'll leave you at 11 o'clock. Give me a caller, Prezi. Look at that one, the next call. Hello. Huh? But me see the light, them I blink. Okay, fine, no problem. Now, what I say is, Mixup over here, what I like with Mixup, can I tell people all the while, I learn from Mixup because you learn at school too, you learn at church, you learn when people stand up before a lectern and they give you a lecture on this and that. You learn when people are being circumspect in their discourse. Prezi, see that blink there? No? Okay, fine. Oh, somebody there?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Reggae, Happy New Year.
And the same to you. Wagwan.
At 23, what's up?
We at 23, what you say? At what time now? You come from the people and man, yeah, don't?
Hey, just I swear you would have do different things in the new year. It's still mixed up.
That not mix up. I just ask if you come from the people and man, yeah. What is a simple question? What's the big deal?
For me to know and you to find out.
What? That is for you to know and you to find out.
That's for you to find out.
No, but your voice sound just a slight little bit on the tired side, though. Boy, look like you gave it your all.
No, there is a bit left.
Well, you see, there's a tad bit left in there. There's a tad bit left there, right? What go on, boo boo? What you say? What go down?
That maybe that lady, right? Yeah. Maybe she think it's not that she think our mother gonna take the, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe she think that the mother will say certain things to sabotage the relationship because the mother probably not used to good man. So the mother might say something to mash up your relationship to make sure that she's always around.
Oh, that's a possibility. That's a possibility. Meaning because it could be something else, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like some woman, them not used to good things. So you may have it where it's set good and the mother may see something that's just...
No, but we need a qualifier here, though. No, we need a qualifier here. The man did speak to her about it. And her thing was that she not trust her mother around any her man. To which the man had responded that... Hold on. Hold on. To which the man had responded that, yeah, you may have put it like, say you don't trust your mother only, but you're saying that you don't trust me either. Because if you not, for your mother for go do something, if you not trust your mother for do something with me, it means you don't trust me if you say no to your mother. And her thing was no, I just don't trust your mother. She just don't trust her mother, right? So enough was said to suggest that whatever inappropriate she feared, that it would have been in that realm that we're talking about, But it's a good point. It's a good point you bring up because some relatives do keep them certain relatives from them partner, because they will engage in inappropriate behavior and things like that. That has nothing to do with, sort out or anything like that. You're quite right in that regard.
Hold on, they know that me know family friend where them because of the family friend, them and the man in a war because why? Them leave the family friend alone with the man. And so the family friend go beg the man alone. I know them in a money problem because of that.
Well, yeah, them type
Stuff
of something.
like that is inappropriate. You get me, I say? Things like that. Or them can say certain things to open up the spouse mind to say, I wonder if I saw my partner go on.
Yeah.
And then it just smash up so much different ways you could put it. It don't have to necessarily be that the mama gonna try something sexual with him. It just may be
because can you imagine like you go leave your boyfriend around a family friend, whatever, and then him go say, so well, aren't you ever give the upside down helicopter yet? And thing I'm gonna tell him your business and them something there and thing. That would be very embarrassing for you, given that you have been known to be very well at executing the upside down helicopter, don't it?
It wouldn't be embarrassing for me because I don't have a boyfriend to have no conversation like that. Where you to mix up.
No, well on there. What happened to me, Samanda? What happened? That done? People!
Reggae, shut up.
People, 23, man. 23 broke up, she's single, 20 hot girl, 23 single, People, TamFam a 23 single, Why-yo! Heary. 23 is free. All right, announcement make. Listen, we have to go leave, So we run out of time. All right, boo.
Mix-up all, man. Goodbye.
All right, boo. Take care. Okay, people, we have a leg right now. Do remember me on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 9 o'clock. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 9 o'clock. And on Fridays, it's simulcast on IrieJam Radio and the Bridge 99 FM. But on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, it's all about the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica from 9 o'clock. Again, I'm asking you, go over to my educational entertainment YouTube channel and subscribe to that channel, please. Last I look at it, I was almost at 800. I need to get to 1,000. So I need 200 and add more people to get over to 1,000. So spread the word and have people subscribe over there, please. Thank you. And of course, Ragashanti TV on YouTube at the Mixup Entertainment channel and at this other thing there. Take care of yourselves, people. I'll be back on Wednesday when we juggle again. All right? Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year to you all. Make this a wonderful, productive, and a toxic-free year. All right? Anytime you see the negativity or the toxicity coming at you, avoid it. You don't even have to argue with them or cuss them. Just avoid them. Right? And some of them masks, them coming wolf in sheep clothing and thing. Even though a wolf get a bad name and wolves are magnificent, beautiful animals and thing like that. But still, let go the toxic people, them and the dirty thing. We're going to laugh, learn, and grow this year. All right? All right, people. Soon on Wednesday, take care of yourself. To the world.